Brad Young here at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Today we're here to talk about the 336 Canyon by Grady-White. And look at the size of that boat. Come on around and we'll show you some of the features. This boat is equipped with two 425 Yamahas. And you can also get an optional three 300s if you choose. This boat also has a generator, seat keeper, and helmmaster. Come on aboard. As we step aboard the 336, I'd like to point out this large fish box. Large enough for a grown man.
Oh, just lounging out here.
Also, have a bait prep area for thawing your bait. It is not a live well, it's just to thaw your bait, keep your bait. Over here we have our fish cleaning station. We have two live wells. And we've got tackle storage down below. And at the helm, you'll notice we have three very large captain seats with bolsters. And on the dash here, we've got plenty of real estate to put your electronics, so you can choose what you want on it. Ritchie compass, Yamaha gauges, Seakeeper, Helmmaster, air conditioning. What else could you use while you're out trolling 40 miles offshore? Air conditioning will work. Hard top with rocket launchers. And one of the most important things for your guests while you're out on the boat in the ocean with nowhere to go is a toilet. Come take a look at the size of this one. Plenty of room for a grown man. There's also room for sleeping for two if you decide to go out and spend the night. All of your controllers for all of your systems are in here also. And there's also rod holders in the floor so that you can wash and store your fishing rods while you're underway. As we move to the front of the boat, you'll notice we got a huge layout area. So you can pull those in and out as you're wanting to go underway. Plenty of room just to sit and relax. And if you're out fishing, you can remove these cushions and this can become a casting deck for you. And it also has a windlass anchor. So this is Brad Young at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. Give me a call and we'll take you out for a ride. 850-420-1802. Thanks.